Nice group of young pairs on this deal. Again, the aged them all, mouthed them all. Look like the pairs here and across look like heavy braids up there, right?
Yes, sir.
One pin over. Angus calves primarily, right?
Yes.
Most Angus calves, yeah. Beautiful mama there, hey girl. Fine self. Again, the front shoulder held she is back is went to the calf, so there's 8-month bred, 4-month bred. It's all singles, obviously. 5 years old, 5 months bred there. Young set of pairs here. Again, there's some cows definitely y'all boys up north or Kansas called me, and Nebraska boys. I mean, there's a cattle big ship. Your part of the world that one of enough here to hurt. Obviously, I won't send 14 there, but I'm saying there are definitely some cows that work for y'all guys that really don't show much here, and then good quality on the cows too. Wow, what a nice set of calves here. Whew, man. So what these rascals gonna bring? They're gonna bring all they can right here. Whew, man. Real set of calves. Good set of bred cows, guys. They're obviously front shoulder is how old she is, so pretty much this entire deal here is like 4 or 5 year old cows, and they're 7, 8 months bred. Good set of cows, turn them out, ranch them. We know that baby. This could be a herd sellout. It's a set of singles, not gonna group, but they'll group. No, they're set of singles. Family sellout. So. The few humpy calves in here did a humpy bull than last year, so a few more humpy calves. They're good humpy calves. Next year, all our next calves, when they're red back, all Charlotte and Angus bulls. Probably going to split these big old calves on them, red back. Maybe it's something like that, I don't know. But probably going to split. And most of the calves are Charlotte and Angus. And they're selling singles too. So. More of the pairs here. They're all been aged and mouthed. And y'all repalpate them all, or just some of the big calves? Yeah, exactly. So these could be short bred back. They'll be sold accordingly, you know. Rangus are sold together, some Brayfords and Angus cow be sold together. How many pairs is in this deal? One family deal.
130 on that one deal.
130. It's a family herd sellout. Again, they're selling singles, so short solid out. Good set of cows. Get some ones with short-term cows. Definitely kind of here can turn them out, ranch them, get enough quality, get enough size of these cattle. You know, can ranch them, raise calf off them, kill them in the fall. Them boys up north, we're probably going further north of these. I don't know, just I'll flick it here to them. They go in the fall calvers. I'll video fall calvers next. These are same cow herd. I just video same cow herd. These ones already weaned the calves and they're bred back. So the weaned calves off these wet bag cows. Age wise, I mean, they'll sell them as singles. Like she's solid mouth, 8 months bred. They're all aged. And they just weaned a big ass set of calf sizes girls. They're all 1 iron deal too. Again, 5x5, solid mouth 6, solid mouth 4, 5x3, crossbreds 3x5. Oh, it's a nice range of cows. Here's more of the short-term cows, right, huh? Yeah. But I like these cows. I'm gonna turn them out some grass. Forget about them. They're not poor at all. Good color, good flesh. We're back with the Charolais and Angus bull. Charolais and Angus bull. Good quality cattle.